Welcome back. In this lesson, we're looking at AI applications in retail and e-commerce. AI/machine learning educational explainer. Now let's look at introduction. Artificial intelligence is changing how retail and e-commerce businesses attract, serve, and retain customers. Retail is no longer only about stores, websites, products, and discounts. It is increasingly about data, personalization, speed, convenience, and intelligent decision-making. AI can learn from browsing behavior, purchase history, product catalogs, inventory data, customer reviews, pricing signals, logistics events, and service interactions. This helps retailers improve customer experience, sales conversion, inventory efficiency, fraud control, and operational productivity. In this video, we will understand AI applications in retail and e-commerce through a simple 3-bucket framework. Now let's look at what this video covers. In this video, we will first understand why AI matters in retail and e-commerce. Then we will look at current trends shaping AI adoption in this industry. After that, we will group AI applications into 3 practical buckets. The first bucket is AI and machine learning for prediction. The second bucket is RAG, or retrieval augmented generation, for grounded answers. The third bucket is agents for orchestrated work. Finally, we will go through one slide on each major use case and end with a practical recap. Now let's look at current trends in retail and e-commerce AI. Several trends are shaping AI adoption in retail and e-commerce. Retailers are using AI for personalization, product recommendations, demand forecasting, inventory optimization, dynamic pricing, and fraud detection. Generative AI is being used for product content, marketing copy, customer support, shopping assistance, and merchandising insights. Agentic commerce is emerging, where AI shopping agents help customers search, compare, choose, and even complete purchases. Retailers are also investing in conversational commerce, visual search, voice shopping, retail media optimization, and real-time customer engagement. At the same time, governance, privacy, brand control, data quality, and customer trust are becoming essential for responsible AI adoption. Now let's look at 3 buckets of retail and e-commerce AI applications. A simple way to understand retail AI is to divide applications into 3 buckets. Bucket 1 is AI and machine learning for prediction. These applications predict customer behavior, demand, price sensitivity, churn, fraud, returns, and inventory risk. Bucket 2 is RAG for grounded answers. These applications use trusted product catalogs, policies, reviews, manuals, size guides, and order data to generate accurate answers. Bucket 3 is agents for orchestrated work. These applications coordinate tasks across shopping, service, catalog operations, merchandising, fulfillment, returns, and supplier workflows. This framework helps us see AI as more than chatbots; it becomes a full retail intelligence layer. Now let's look at use case 1, product recommendations and next best offer prediction. Product recommendation is one of the most mature AI applications in e-commerce. AI models analyze browsing behavior, search history, purchase history, cart activity, product similarity, and customer segments. The goal is to predict which products a customer is most likely to view, click, add to cart, or buy. This powers recommendations such as frequently bought together, similar products, and you may also like. AI can also suggest the next best offer, bundle, coupon, or loyalty action. When done well, this improves conversion, average order value, and customer satisfaction. Now let's look at use case 2, demand forecasting, inventory optimization, and assortment planning. AI can help retailers predict demand more accurately across products, locations, channels, and time periods. Models can analyze sales history, seasonality, promotions, holidays, weather, local events, market signals, and online behavior. Better demand forecasting helps retailers decide what to stock, where to stock it, and how much inventory to hold. It can reduce stockouts, excess inventory, markdowns, and lost sales. AI can also support assortment planning by identifying which products are likely to perform well in each store or customer segment. This is especially important for omnichannel retail, where stores, warehouses, and e-commerce channels must work together. Now let's look at use case 3, dynamic pricing and promotion optimization. Pricing is one of the most sensitive decisions in retail and e-commerce. AI can analyze competitor prices, demand signals, inventory levels, customer response, seasonality, margin goals, and promotion history. The model can recommend pricing changes or promotional offers that balance revenue, margin, and customer value. For example, AI may suggest a discount for slow-moving inventory or reduce unnecessary promotions where demand is already strong. Promotion optimization helps retailers avoid over-discounting and improve campaign return. This use case must be governed carefully to avoid unfair, confusing, or brand-damaging pricing practices. Now let's look at use case 4, customer churn, lifetime value, and loyalty prediction. AI can help retailers understand which customers are likely to return and which customers may stop buying. Models can predict churn risk using purchase frequency, basket size, browsing patterns, service complaints, loyalty activity, and engagement behavior. They can also estimate customer lifetime value, which helps retailers prioritize retention and loyalty investments. For example, AI may identify a valuable customer who has reduced visits and recommend a personalized win-back campaign. This supports smarter loyalty programs, personalized communication, and better customer relationship management. The goal is to move from generic campaigns to timely, relevant, and customer-specific engagement. Now let's look at use case 5, fraud detection, returns abuse, and payment risk prediction. Retail and e-commerce businesses face fraud risks in payments, accounts, promotions, loyalty points, and returns. AI models can detect unusual patterns such as suspicious transactions, account takeovers, fake accounts, refund abuse, chargeback risk, and abnormal return behavior. The model compares current behavior with historical patterns and known risk signals. This helps protect revenue while reducing unnecessary friction for genuine customers. AI can also support manual review teams by prioritizing the highest risk cases. The challenge is to balance fraud control with smooth customer experience. Now let's look at use case 6, RAG for product discovery and shopping guidance. Now let us move to the second bucket, RAG for grounded answers. In e-commerce, customers often need help choosing the right product. A RAG-based shopping assistant can retrieve trusted information from product catalogs, specifications, reviews, FAQs, size guides, compatibility charts, and availability data. It can then answer customer questions in simple language. For example, it can explain which laptop is better for video editing or which shoe size may fit based on a size guide. Because the answer is grounded in the retailer's approved data, it can be more accurate and useful than a generic response. Now let's look at use case 7, RAG for customer support, orders, returns, and policies. RAG is also useful for customer support. Retailers have many policies related to shipping, delivery, returns, refunds, warranties, exchanges, loyalty points, and payment methods. A RAG assistant can retrieve the correct policy and combine it with order status or customer context. This helps answer questions such as where an order is, whether a product can be returned, or how a refund will be processed. It can support both customers and service agents. The key advantage is that responses can be consistent, source-based, and aligned with approved policies. Now let's look at use case 8, RAG for product content, catalog, and SEO support. Retailers manage large volumes of product content. This includes product titles, descriptions, features, specifications, images, brand guidelines, category rules, SEO keywords, and marketplace requirements. A RAG assistant can retrieve the correct product information and help generate accurate content. It can support product descriptions, comparison tables, buying guides, FAQs, and category pages. This helps merchandising and content teams scale product content faster. It also reduces the risk of inaccurate, inconsistent, or off-brand product information. Now let's look at use case 9, RAG for store associates, merchandising, and operations knowledge. Retail stores and e-commerce operations depend on many internal policies and procedures. Store associates may need answers about product features, stock availability, promotions, returns, warranties, and operating procedures. Merchandising teams may need access to planograms, category guidelines, supplier terms, and campaign instructions. A RAG assistant can retrieve approved internal knowledge and provide fast answers to frontline teams. This improves service quality and reduces the time spent searching through manuals or asking supervisors. It is especially useful for large retail networks with many stores and seasonal staff. Now let's look at use case 10, agents for agentic commerce and AI shopping journeys. The third bucket is agents for orchestrated work. Agentic commerce means AI agents can help customers complete shopping journeys, not just answer questions. An AI shopping agent can understand customer needs, search products, compare options, check availability, apply preferences, build a cart, and support checkout. For example, a customer may ask for a birthday gift under a budget, and the agent can shortlist options and prepare the cart. This changes e-commerce from passive browsing to guided, conversational, and task-based shopping. Retailers will need to ensure that agents follow brand rules, availability, pricing, privacy, and payment controls. Now let's look at use case 11, agents for customer service, returns, refunds, and dispute resolution. Customer service often requires multiple steps across systems. An AI service agent can understand the customer issue, retrieve order details, check policy, create a return request, initiate refund workflow, update status, and escalate exceptions. It can help resolve common issues such as late delivery, damaged product, missing item, return eligibility, or payment dispute. The agent can also draft responses and hand over to a human agent when needed. This reduces manual work and improves response speed. The customer benefit is faster, clearer, and more consistent service. Now let's look at use case 12, agents for merchandising, catalog operations, and campaign execution. Retail merchandising involves many coordinated tasks. An AI agent can help launch products, update catalog attributes, check missing content, generate draft descriptions, validate category rules, prepare promotion setup, and coordinate campaign tasks. It can work across product information systems, e-commerce platforms, marketing tools, and inventory data. For example, before a seasonal sale, the agent can identify missing images, incomplete descriptions, or products not mapped to the right category. This improves speed and consistency in e-commerce operations. The agent should still keep humans in control for brand-sensitive content and pricing decisions. Now let's look at use case 13, agents for inventory replenishment, fulfillment, and delivery exceptions. Inventory and fulfillment workflows are complex in omnichannel retail. An AI agent can monitor low stock, late shipments, warehouse capacity, order backlog, delivery exceptions, and store inventory signals. It can suggest replenishment actions, reroute orders, notify teams, update customers, and escalate high-priority issues. For example, if a warehouse cannot fulfill an order, the agent may identify a nearby store that can ship it instead. This helps reduce stockouts, late deliveries, and customer frustration. It connects prediction with action across inventory, warehouse, transport, and customer service teams. Now let's look at scene 18, final recap and closing. Let us recap the main idea. AI applications in retail and e-commerce can be grouped into 3 practical buckets. AI and machine learning for prediction help personalize recommendations, forecast demand, optimize prices, predict churn, and detect fraud. RAG helps generate grounded answers from trusted product catalogs, policies, reviews, size guides, and internal knowledge. Agents help orchestrate shopping journeys, customer service, catalog operations, merchandising, fulfillment, and returns. Together, these applications show how AI can improve customer experience, sales conversion, inventory efficiency, operational productivity, and trust in retail and e-commerce. To wrap up, here is the key takeaway. You now have a structured overview of AI applications in retail and e-commerce. Review the core ideas, connect them to examples, and revisit concepts like introduction, what this video covers, current trends in retail and e-commerce AI when practicing. If you can explain the idea in your own words, you have really understood it.